Well, Chris, 32-year-old NYPD officer Neville Smith was injured in that crash and was hospitalized for several days. So today was his first time to appear in court, facing a judge and the family of the woman he's accused of killing in that drunk driving crash. Smith's attorney tells us that he is heartbroken over the tragedy, but the victim's family says that's no consolation. Officer Neville Smith appeared before a judge walking with a cane, still suffering from injuries from the alleged drunk driving crash that killed 22-year-old Vanessa Ragubar, critically injured her sister, Maria Ragubar, and caused minor injuries to Maria's boyfriend, Justin Haricharan. It was the first time the victim's family members were face-to-face with the NYPD officer accused of driving drunk on the early Sunday morning of April 21st.
It was very painful. When I look at him, all I could think of that I would never see Vanessa again.
Smith was off duty when he crashed into Ragubar's car on the Van Wyck Expressway. Prosecutors say he refused a breathalyzer test. Officer Smith has been charged with vehicular manslaughter and negligent homicide and is out on $300,000 bond. His attorney spoke on his behalf after today's hearing.
The family and he are just incredibly heartbroken over this tragedy, and that is, I think, their number one sentiment right now is they recognize the deep pain that's been caused to these families, and they are just absolutely heartbroken for them for this absolute tragedy.
That didn't give me any comfort, none at all. I want to see justice. I want him to be punished for what he did.
A 21-year-old Maria Ragubar, who suffered severe internal injuries, underwent several surgeries, and she is listed in stable condition at Jamaica Hospital. Officer Smith has been suspended from the NYPD. He is due in court again on June 16. Live outside Queens Criminal Court in Kew Gardens, Queens, Hazel Sanchez, CBS 2 News.